Hello, I'm Bob Cook, the designer and maker of the Quiver pen holders and the Quiver Pro stylus holder for the Apple Pencil. Like all quivers, we use and incorporate an elastic design, so the Quiver Pro stylus holder slides over the keyboard case and does not interfere at all with the Apple Pro in its presentation mode. It's positioned approximately like thus, and it does not interfere with the closure of the Apple iPad Pro. The Quiver Pro stylus holder is designed to fit the Apple Pro 10.5 and 9.7 keyboard cases, and in addition to a secure pouch for your stylus, it also has an accessory pouch for the small accessories that come with the Apple Pencil. And like all Quiver products, it's made with 100% American leather. Suddenly now you've got a great tablet and an awesome way to protect and carry your stylus holder.